सीएसपीओसी का 28वां संस्करण भारत में आयोजित हो रहा है। इसकी अध्यक्षता लोकसभा अध्यक्ष ओम बिरला ने की। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने इसका उद्घाटन किया। इस पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं सुधाकर रेड्डी जी, सांसद हैं कर्नाटक से। सर, आपका संसद टीवी पर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आप कैसे देखते हैं इस आयोजन को, 28वां जो आयोजन भारत में आयोजित हो रहा है?
No, it's a welcome move that the 28th conference on speakers and the presiding officers of the Commonwealth that is happening in New Delhi today in a very historical place that is Central Hall of the old Parliament, where it used to be institution, it used to be the hall during which our Constituent Assembly met and drafted the Constitution of India. So this is a place where it is very close to all Indian hearts, and internationally this conference is very significant because the India in its transition in its journey towards the economic liberation, economic strength has come from the fundamentals and ideals of the true democracy, because India has always been a true democracy, not just post-independence, from the Vedic period, which our Honorable Prime Minister mentioned during his speech and address. And I really thank our Honorable Speaker Om Birla ji to have been the chairman and organized such a mammoth conference under the able guidance and support of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji.
सर, आपने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को सुना, स्पीकर सर को सुना, आईपीयू के प्रेसिडेंट को भी सुना। जिस तरह से उन्होंने अपनी बातों को रखा, बाकी भी सहयोगी देशों से लोग आ रहे हैं। आप कैसे देखते हैं इस आयोजन को? किस तरह से ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट भूमिका निभाने जा रहा है बाकी देशों के बीच में? और भारत की जो डेमोक्रेसी है, वो मदर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसीज कहा जाता है, ऐसे में भारत की भूमिका कितनी महत्वपूर्ण आप समझते हैं? और जो विषय इस दौरान उठाए जाएंगे 2 दिनों में, उसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
See, as our Honorable Prime Minister said, India is the true mother of democracies, and to witness that, we have witnessed what is during 2024 Lok Sabha elections, 980 million people, Indians, have exercised their right of vote. This number is more than the number of many few continents. This is what our Honorable Prime Minister said. So such a large exercise, and more than 50% of that voters were women. And today in our local administrative setup, there is more than 50% of representation of women. So the democracy on ideals is not just ideals, it is practiced deep below. And the country has ensured the basic ideals of democracy is practiced in the parliamentary system.
Sir, the main topics have been taken. AI, role of AI in today's scenario, and how has social media changed the way the MPs connect with the citizens?
Of course, see, use of tools, use of technology is always an added boon for any elected representative. Those were the days when the works that you were doing would take days and months to even, to showcase your work to other people. But today, it happens instantly. So that is thanks to the social media, and the artificial intelligence, the use of artificial intelligence in parliamentary system is also a welcome one, because a country like India has so many regional languages. So when one of the honorable parliament members would speak in their own languages, simultaneously that language can be translated into the language that one wants to hear. So this is the advantage of the AI.
जी, जो कॉमनवेल्थ देश हैं उसके बीच में ये CSPOC की जो भूमिका है उसको आप कैसे देखते हैं? कैसे बेहतर कम्युनिकेशन सभी देशों के बीच भारत का हो सकता है? भारत की भूमिका को आप कैसे देखते हैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर, जिस तरह से प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का आज जो पहचान है वो एक लोकतांत्रिक देश के तौर पे है, लोकतांत्रिक नेता के तौर पे है, तो इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं आने वाले समय में भारत की भूमिका को CSPOC के दृष्टि से?
See, there's no doubt that one of the tallest leaders in the world today is our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. When he chairs such a important and when he inaugurates such an important conference in New Delhi, it is a clear message to the world. India lives by example and practices democracy. And today, when we meet so many countries from the Commonwealth, it is to ideate, it is to understand the best practices in those nations, how they are practicing. So it is exchange of ideas, it is the exchange of thoughts of how democracy can be made its best. So these conferences definitely do help to improve every nation's thinking of democracy.
संसद टीवी से बात की आपने, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो ये थे सुधाकर रेड्डी जी, जिन्होंने बताया CSPOC की जो भूमिका है कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है और आने वाले दिनों में भारत की जो भूमिका है वो भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होने वाली है। संसद टीवी के लिए सुरेंद्र कुमार।